Good morning all of you. Today I am going to teach you about problem on Porter governor. So let's start the problem about Porter governor. So here is the question, and what is the question for the Porter governor? Let's start. So Porter governor has equal arms, each 250 mm long and pivoted on axis of rotation. Each ball has a mass of 5 kg and the mass of each central load on the sleeve is 15 kg. Radius of rotation of ball is 150 mm when governor begins to lift and 200 mm when governor at maximum speeds. So what is given here? Mass equal arms have 250 mm for minimum and maximum speed of Porter governor, and what? Each ball has a mass of 5 kg. Both end are 5 kg mass, and maximum and minimum have 250 arm and what? 15 kg sleeve central load. Then radius of rotation is 150 mm. What we have to find? We have to find minimum and maximum speeds and range of speed of the governor. So let's start the problem. First we have to draw the Porter governor diagram. So let's draw. Because it has given minimum, because we have to find minimum and maximum speed, so we have to draw out two different figures. First one minimum, then one maximum. So simply draw Porter governor. So in minimum one, what is given? This is the ball. Okay, ball has, and here given the mass. Arm length is what? This one is arm length 250. Okay, then what? Ball have radius of rotation. Radius of rotation where? This one is radius of rotation. It's given 150 mm. This one is, so let's, this is the ball line. Take it as G, gravity dash, G, and make it as a P, and this one is the height. How to measure? So this total is about minimum speed. Okay, minimum one. Let's draw about the maximum one. So arm is same for both minimum position and maximum position. Okay, but here radius of rotation is different. For minimum 150, for maximum 200 mm. Okay. And this one is height, and this all total about maximum position. So So let's start or let's solve for the minimum position. For minimum position, what we have to do, we have to see what type of data is given. As the minimum speed have formula n1 square equals m plus capital M divided by m into 895 by h1. So here h1 not given. Okay, n1 we have to found. Okay, we have for h1 we have to go for a solving. Okay, so let's start. For r1, let's start minimum speed when r1 equals 0.15 meter, because we have given that 0.15 meter what radius of rotation. Okay, first one 0.15. Let's do it. R1 means BG. Okay, BG. So let N1 minimum speed. We can find height of governor. We can find height of governor. शॉर्ट में लिख दो, ठीक है. h1 equals this one, h1 equals pg. ओके, तो ट्रिगोनोमेट्री में हमें फॉर्मूला पढ़ा होगा, ठीक है. तो pg को निकालने के लिए क्या होता है, रूट ओवर ऑफ pb माइनस bg, pb का स्क्वायर माइनस bg का स्क्वायर. ओके, ये लो फिर. pb स्क्वायर माइनस bg स्क्वायर. सो pg का कितना है 0.25 mm में मीटर में ले लेता हूँ, ठीक है, माइनस 0.15 मीटर, वो mm में है. तो सॉल्व करने के बाद कितना आता है चेक कर देता हूँ थोड़ा. तो चेक करने में आया आपका 0.2 मीटर. ओके, आज वी नो n1 इक्वल्स n1 का स्क्वायर इक्वल्स m प्लस कैपिटल M बाई स्मॉल m इंटू 895 h1. तो हियर n1 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स स्मॉल m प्लस कैपिटल M बाई m into 895 by h1. Small m of 5, mass capital M 15, because central load it is m1 whole divided by 5 into 895 divided by 0.2, as it is h1. So let's solve it. What is the answer? Let me solve. So answer is 17,898, because 17,900 17,900. ओके, सो n1 इसका रूट ओवर ले लेते हैं. 17,900 इक्वल्स 133.8 revolution per minute. Okay. Then for maximum, speed, when R1 equals, means R1, this one is R1, Bg equals 0.2 meter, 200 mm, or we can say 0.2 meter. Okay, so let N2 is maximum speed. Okay, then we have to find height. H2 equals height, then same Pg equals in geometric Pg Pb square minus this one squares minus this one square, Pb minus Bg squares का whole root over Pb square minus Bg square whole root over and 0.25 square minus 0.2 square whole root over. After solving we get, let me solve. The answer is 0.15 meter. Okay, as we know, for maximum speed, formula is n2 square equals small m plus capital M by small m into 895 by S2. Okay, so 5 plus 15 whole divided by 5, because 5 is the mass of ball and central load mass is capital M into 895. S2 is what? 0.15. So let me solve. What is the answer? Answer is 23.867. So n2 equals, रूट ऑफ ले लेने, तो रूट ऑफ लेने से क्या होगा, n2 equals 23.867 and we got 154.5 RPM. So then the range of speed, the maximum 1 minus minimum, n2 minus n1, 154.5 minus 133.8, what we got, 2. So 134. 7. One 121.7. This is the answer.